Hi, hello. Today we are going to see the difference between React and Angular. React is an open source JavaScript library. It is built by the Facebook and maintained by the Facebook developers. It is used to build the user interfaces. Most of the developers now, most of the companies also using the React for building the web applications in the companies. It is coming to the we will see the difference between Angular and React. Angular is it is also used to build the web applications, but it is a framework means it has its own rules and architecture. It is a full-fledged framework. It is developed by the Google. Coming to the difference, a type means a React is based on it is built based on the JavaScript. We can starting I say it is a JavaScript library. That means mostly it depends on JavaScript language. It uses the other frameworks for managing the state and routing purposes and validation purposes. We can interact with other libraries also. But coming to the Angular, it has its own built-in state management and routing features and form validation. But no need to depend on other libraries. This is the main difference between React and Angular. Coming to the language, we also discussed this one. React is a JavaScript library. That means mostly it depends on JavaScript logics. It can also, although we can use the TypeScript along with React for type safety, but mostly we depend on the JavaScript logics, how JavaScript will execute. But Angular is written in TypeScript, uh, statically typed superset of the JavaScript. That means mostly in Angular we use the TypeScript language. Coming to the architecture, React is a component based architecture. That means we build the features. For example, if we take an application, we will build the application based on the modules architect components. For header, we will create one component, and footer, we will create one component. We will merge all the components at the same place like that. But coming to the Angular is a it is also component based architecture, but along with the hierarchical structure. That means it has a MVC, model view controller, model view model. Like that, it has its own templates, and there is a slight difference between them. Templates means Angular uses the HTML templates combined with Angular own template syntax. That means Angular uses the Angular directives. It has some syntactical templates. Coming to the React, in React we uses the JSX, JavaScript XML. Syntax, it is a syntax extension that allows the HTML to be written within the JavaScript. It looks like in a HTML inside React, but it is not like that. It allows the developers write the HTML like code inside React. It is a JavaScript XML. Coming to the data binding, Angular provides the supports the two-way data binding. That means we can flow the data from one component to another component to this component. Coming to the React, it is only single-way data binding, one-way data binding. We can pass the data from parent to child only. We cannot React cannot allow the two-way data binding. Mostly in React, we uses the other tool like Redux toolkit or Redux for data managing and data flow. This is the main difference between them. And coming to the performance, Angular uses the real DOM for if you made any changes, it needs to update the directly real DOM instead of it is a slight makes our application slightly slower than compared to React scenarios. In React, we uses the virtual DOM. It is the most important feature of the React. It uses the virtual DOM. Virtual DOM is it is an object representation of real DOM. No need to every time interact with real DOM and No need to every time if you made any small change, every time no need to directly going to real DOM, updating all the elements, no need to do this process. React uses the virtual DOM. Virtual DOM makes our application very fast and efficient updates and rendering. This is the main difference between React and Angular. If you have any doubts on this, please comment below. If you have any questions to explain, those also comment below. Thank you.